Well, you're looking better today. I'm glad to see you feeling better, George. Good morning, Wibbly. As usual, I'm running late again. And good morning, Henry. I'll leave you to your bath. Hey everyone, it's Cashew. Welcome to day 4 of Vlogmas. I can't believe I've done 4 days in a row. That's exciting! And if you'll notice, there's continuity issues, and that's because I had to get down to the post office before noon because I have a couple of parcels and they close at noon, and I slept late. But I have some ideas for today, and I also have to go film a vlog, but I think you'll have fun. And I also have, you guessed it, the Christmas Story Advent Calendar. We gotta see what figure comes up today. So let's get moving. And according to my baby goat calendar, Christmas is 1, 2, 3 weeks away. And this is today's t-shirt of choice, the Local Goat Christmas Edition. Next to my post office is the mailbox company, very fitting, and what I like about them is that they feed the birds. But first, I need some lunch. And literally within walking distance of my post office is the Trailyard. It's a new restaurant. I ate here when they first opened. The food was okay, the service wasn't that great, but I thought I'd try it and see if they were any better now that they've been open for a while. And across the street from the Trailyard is this church that I really like. It reminds me of Grant Wood's painting American Gothic. I'm not going to do a proper restaurant review, maybe later, but I just thought I'd show you the menu anyway. And on this side it shows the salads and their drinks, and chili and soup. I had their steakhouse chili and I wasn't impressed, so I'll probably just get a burger. And I'm having a cherry cordial stout with my cheeseburger. Very good. I can actually taste some cherry cordial in it. So here is my lunch. It's called the Backyard Burger, but it's essentially a classic cheeseburger with French fries and my cherry cordial stout. Let's see how it tastes. As you can tell, my food was delicious, and I'm glad I gave this place a second chance. Like I said, I came here the first time and the service was not great and the food was okay. This time, the food and the service was great. I'm glad I gave this place a second chance. The food was really good, and my server, Catherine, was excellent. She was a lot of fun. And I think right now I'm gonna take off and film my vlog, and we'll meet up later. And I'll show you some Christmassy stuff, and of course, the figure from the Advent calendar. So I'll talk to you later. I was going to show you something Christmas related today, but I thought, you know what? I'll show you my mail. I don't want to show addresses or anything, so here, I'll just open this up right now. If I can. Oh, look at that. Very nice card. Hopefully you can. Let me see if I can get a focus on that. Very nice card. Peace on Earth. Cashew, wishing you peace for the holidays. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year from BBBBs. Thank you, BBBB and wife. Thank you both. That was very nice of you. Thank you so much for the card. There's a, I did open it. I haven't looked through it, but I did open it already. And let's see what this is. It's from Indiana, so I didn't see a name on it yet. So let's find out. Oh, this is really nice. Look, a llama. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I love it. I don't know who it is from. I'll have to go and see if I can find out through my mailing list. But thank you, whoever sent this. I think I have an idea, but I'm not sure, so I'll just say thank you to the person who sent this. This is great. Look at that. I'm going to keep this up year-round. Thank you so much. Oh, I stand corrected. There's a card enclosed. So I do get to find out who sent it. Oh, look at the little kitty cat on the back. Let's see if you can... Look at that. And it's on the front, so I'll just show the front. Wow, Cashew. Just wow. Very beautiful card. And it says, to Cashew, thinking of you with warm wishes for a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, Roy Maria. Thank you. Thank you so much, Roy Maria. That is so nice of you. I'm going to read the card. I'm just opening this, so hold on a second. Thank you, Roy Maria. I won't read the message, but thank you, Roy Maria. A very nice picture of a llama and a kitty cat. Excellent. Thank you both. And this, last but not least, is from VA Moon. Thank you. It says Merry Christmas Pull. Let's see what it is. Oh, this is fantastic. This is great. Look at this. You guys know me so well. Look. A goat calendar. Thank you. This is great. Thank you, VA Moon. Oh, wow. I don't know if you can see on the back, but look. A year full of goats. Wonderful. Thank you, VA Moon. Wonderful. And now, what better way to end the Vlogmas than with the Christmas Story Advent Calendar? Let's see what figure we get today. Okay, it's time for the big moment, and I think today I will pick right here. Okay, let's see what we got. Oh wow, look! It's another Bumpus Hound. Excellent! Give me a second and I'll take him out of the box. So I got another Bumpus Hound. That is great. And I'll be honest with you, it's all I can do to keep from opening all of them. But I'm going to be good and wait and do one a day. And I hope you enjoyed this. And I will see you tomorrow. That is the end of the Vlogmas Day 4. And until next time, this is Cashew signing off.